In this video, I'll show you how to use MetaTrader 5's demo account on PC. Alright, so let's say you've heard about MetaTrader 5 and you are not a very experienced trader or you just want to test some strategies on a demo account. Here is how you'll get it set up. So the first thing that you're going to do is jump over to MetaTrader 5's home page. You can just Google search MetaTrader 5 or you can use the link that I'll provide in the description of this video. So for this video, we're going to use the web terminal option, but you can also opt for downloading the actual program onto your desktop. Alright, so once we open up the web terminal or the desktop version, you'll be presented with this screen. And you'll see I do have an account already, but I'll make another one just for the purposes of this video. So you're going to click on Open Demo Account. Unless, of course, you have a broker and you want to connect your broker, then you'll use Connect to Account. Though that in itself is an entirely different video. So we're just going to open a demo account here. So you'll see you need to put in your name, last name, email address, phone number, and these options here, you can leave them as is and just click on Open Demo Account. Now, once you do that, you'll be provided with this screen here, and it will give you very important information. That is your login information so that you can log into that account. So make sure to save this information somewhere. You can use the copy to clipboard feature to just copy that information. And that is really how simple it is. You'll now have your charts over here. You can choose your different symbols on the right, or you can adjust some of the visual settings on the hamburger icon on the top left. And that is it, guys. That is how you use and access the demo account on PC MetaTrader 5. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.